So in this video I'm going to talk about something. I don't know what I'm going to talk about in this video, but this is just starting and I have 100% battery on my camera and I have 20% battery on my Mac. So this is just a recording session. I don't know what I'm going to talk about in this video, but now I'm making a habit of just coming in front of camera every single day. Like if I don't have any work, I will come in front of camera every single day. And if I have some project or if I'm writing a scripts, then I can delay कि हाँ ठीक है आज नहीं, लेकिन वीक में कम से कम मेरे को 4 दिन मिनिमम कैमरे के सामने आना है. क्योंकि एक चीज़ मेरे को समझ में आ गया है, अगर मैं कैमरे के सामने आऊँगा तो कुछ ना कुछ कंटेंट बन जाएगा. आई विल स्पीक समथिंग एंड कुछ कंटेंट तो ज़रूर से बन जाएगा. सो एक ये हैबिट बना रहा हूँ मैं कि मैं कम से कम वीक में 4 दिन कैमरे के सामने जाऊँ एंड मैं बात करूँ. Like I am fully focused on content for now. The only goal, the only priority is content and push as much as content as possible. There should be lots of content around the all social media platform. Nishant Raj Ketan. There should be a lot of content. There should be content that people will repost, people will like reshare. Like this name should be echo in social media. Who is Nishant Raj Ketan? ये कहाँ से आ गया? Like who is the hell is this? How is he is pushing this much content and this quality of content? That is the goal. कि my name should be discussed in a room where I cannot imagine. That is the goal, and I will make this happen. That's why I have to come in front of camera and I have to talk to my camera every single day. And currently I don't have any client that will take my work or take my mental space. So I will do this. I will come in front of camera and I will talk and I will make content. And this is just a founder log episode 2, whatever you call it. I'm just recording this video and I will upload this on YouTube, a raw cut video on YouTube. And if I do this only, like I record something and upload it on YouTube, I will get better at least. Maybe I don't get any view, कोई view ना आए, but I will get better. I will be like learn accountability, discipline, and that is the goal. My money is not my goal for now. I have like enough to sustain a life, and that is I'm okay with. So my only goal is to improve myself in every area of my life. The only goal is to improve. And I know that content is the highest leverage thing that I can do for now. Content can open doors for me that even I cannot imagine. So the only priority for now is creating content. Make content as much as content as possible. चाहे दिन में 2 बार पब्लिश करना पड़े 2 बार पब्लिश करो, 3 बार करना पड़े तो 3 बार करो, but create content as much as you can. That is the only goal. एक बार करके तो देखते हैं, फिर देखते हैं क्या होता है. That is the goal. चलो करके देखते हैं. कुछ नहीं हुआ तो आई विल लर्न, कुछ हो गया तो सो दैट इज़ द गोल. द ओनली गोल इज़ टू इम्प्रूव, जस्ट इम्प्रूव. सो आई एम जस्ट क्रिएटिंग दिस कॉन्टेंट एज like self improvement. I'm just doing it for self improvement. So this is my guarantee that you will get tired of watching me on a screen if you hate me, and if you love me you will keep watching me. Like goal is to create content in sheer volume as much as I can, क्योंकि सारा वॉल्यूम का गेम है. If I create high quality content in volume, it will get some attention, and I'm not looking for attention. I'm just doing it for sake of doing it. I'm not attached to any results. कि हाँ views नहीं आए तो I'm just doing it. I will do it. I'm just doing it for fun of it, and I will keep doing it. As long as I am free, I have time, I will create content. But this time it will be much more consistent because this is my only priority for now. Creating content. That's it.